Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of AI with Retool. Retool is a powerful platform that allows you to build custom internal tools without needing to write code. But did you know it can also help you create some amazing AI-powered applications? From chatbots to recommendation engines to data analytics and automation, Retool makes it incredibly easy to integrate AI features into your workflows. We'll be walking you through a demo of several AI apps we have built using Retool, showcasing their functionalities and how you can leverage them for your own projects. So let's get started. As you can see here, we have built some various applications in Retool. The first one is generating text, then we have summarizing the text, then we have classify the text, then we have extract entity from a text, and then we have generating images. And after all these, we have a chatbot as well. So let's just get started with the generating text application. As you can see, the user can input any of the information or any of the text the user wants as an output for generating the text. For this, you can input any of the information you want. I will just simply fill in the input field with the pre-fill example option. As you can see, the input field is filled with an input, and I will just simply click on the generate text option and my text will be generated as per my input I have entered in the input field. Moving forward, we have the summarize text option. Summarizing the text means that you can enter any of the lengthy long paragraphs you want to brief and you want to summarize. You can just simply enter any of the information you want your paragraph or any of the information you want it short. You can just simply enter any of the data. I will just simply fill in the input text field with the pre-fill example option. Here you can see I have added the input field here with a long paragraph, and then we'll just simply click on the summarize text option and the output will be summarized and the paragraph will be in a brief form. Moving forward, we have the classification of the text. As you can see, the classification of the text means you can classify the text as per your classifications labels. The text can be classified as per negative, positive, or offensive means. So you can just simply enter any of the text you want to classify. I will just simply click on the pre-fill with example button, and the input field will be filled with the information I want to classify. The users can just simply enter any of the labels they want. I will just simply click on the classify text button and my text will be classified as per the information I have added. So this text was a positive text. Moving forward, we have the extract entity from a text. The users can extract any of the information or any of the text they want for specific paragraphs or for specific words or information. The users can enter any of the information they want to extract entity from. I will just simply click on the pre-fill with example button and I'll have the input field filled in with some information. The users can classify the text or extract the entity by different options like brand, model, color, product. The users can also enter any of the further information they want to, or they can just remove any of the information they don't want to have in the output. I will just simply click on the extract entities option, and I will have my output as per the extracted entities. As you can see, the brand was JBL, the model was Tune 23, ONC, and so on. Moving forward, we have the generating image AI application. The users can enter any of the information they want an image for, or any of the image they want for the information. We'll just simply click here in the input field and I'll just enter any command here in the input field. Let's just support I want an image of a man playing football. So we'll just simply click on the generate image button. As you can see, we have the output of a man playing a football. So these are the applications which were built in Retool, and after all these we have a bot as well. Here you can chat with AI with any of the information you want to have or you want to receive from the AI. I'll just simply enter any of the text. Let's just suppose I say, hey, what is AI? and I will get the information as per my command. And there you have it. We have explored some incredible AI apps built with Retool, showcasing how they can transform the way you work and interact with data. At Patronecs, we understand that every project is unique and one size does not fit all. That's why we offer customized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need a simple chatbot or a complex recommendation engine, our team is here to help you build the perfect AI-powered tools for your business. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech demos and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below or contact us through the links provided. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.